If the AI is just processing data, it's going to miss mitigating circumstances or genuine remorse or the context of systemic disadvantage.
Exactly. If we go back to that concept of Jeong, AI can't account for the fading or presence of that kind of human empathy. And that is exactly the intangible element that society still demands from a judge.
So the conclusion? For now,
The conclusion is that AI is still, it's very far from being capable of truly replacing human judges in complex cases.
I agree with the need for human intuition, but let me just challenge that for a second.
Mm-hmm.
If the sources show that human judges are already suffering from fatigue, from personal biases, from inconsistency, I mean, that's what's leading to this public distrust we talked about.
Okay.
Wouldn't a flawed AI that is at least consistently flawed be maybe marginally better than an unpredictable human? Where do the sources address that trade-off?
That is the perfect question, and it's the exact tension that's driving this whole transition. The sources suggest that while consistency is valuable, consistency applied to bad data is just dangerous. A human judge, even a tired one, they retain the capacity for radical reconsideration, for ethical judgment. In a way, a machine trained on historical data just doesn't. They can break the pattern. AI really struggles with the novel case.
Okay, that makes sense. So AI can't wear the black robe for complex cases, but it's definitely acting as judicial support right now.
It is.
Let's move to the U.S. model then.
Yeah.
It gives us a perfect example of what happens when that consistency principle goes wrong.
We have to talk about the COMPASS algorithm. It stands for Correctional Offender Management Profiling for Alternative Sanctions.
And it's been used in Wisconsin courts and many others across the U.S.
Yes.
The name pretty much says it all. It predicts the likelihood of recidivism, of reoffending.
Yeah.
And it serves as a reference tool for human judges when they're deciding on sentencing or parole.
And this system isn't new. It was developed by a private company, North Point, they're called Equivent now, all the way back in 1998.
Wow, that's older than I thought.
It is. And it operates by collecting and weighing this enormous amount of data about a defendant. Things like prior convictions, education, employment history, drug abuse, age, even where they live.
And the output, which is the real concern here, is just a score.
Yeah.
A number from 1 to 10. A 10 basically brands you as highly likely to reoffend.
Right. And it calculates 3 distinct scores for every defendant. General recidivism risk, which they claim is accurate about 2/3 of the time.
Okay, 65%.
And the others. Pretrial release risk, and then there's violent recidivism risk, which, frankly, is shocking. Its claimed accuracy is only about 20%.
20%.
20%. That alone should raise immediate questions about its reliability. But here's where it gets really interesting and ethically problematic. These systems are designed for objectivity, right?
Trivial point.
Yet they inherit the biases that are baked into the historical human data they were trained on.